Okay, 2025 AMC 12A Problem 7. A certain alien world, the maximum running speed is dependent on its number of toes and the number of eyes. The relationship can be expressed in this equation: kn to the a, m to the b, centimeters per hour, where k, a, and b are integer constants. In a population where all organisms have 5 toes, log v equals 4 plus 2 log m. In a population where all organisms have 5 eyes, so in the 5 toes one, we're going to fix n. 25 eyes, we're going to fix m. And we get these two equations. What is k plus a plus b? So first, I'm going to take these log equations and I'm going to write them in this equation form at the top. 4 plus 2 log m. So this just becomes log v is equal to log of 10 to the 4th times m squared. And so we get v is equal to 10 to the 4th times m squared if n is equal to 5, or m is equal to 5 here. Wait, no, n is equal to 5. You get this equation. Same thing with the second one. You get log v equals 4 plus 4 log n. We get v is equal to, or log v equal to log 10 to the 4th plus n times n to the 4th. We get v equals 10 to the 4th times n to the 4th if m is equal to 25. So now we have two equations, but since we know n is equal to 5 and m is equal to 25 in these two equations, we can just plug that into the v is equal to k n a m b, this top one. And so I'm going to write this k times, we know n is 5, so k times 5 to the a times m to the b is going to equal 10 to the 4th times m squared. Similarly, on the bottom, I'm going to write, plugging in 25 in the top one, m is equal to 25, I'm going to write k times n to the a times 5 to the 2b is equal to 10 to the 4th times n to the 4th. And so now here, we just match coefficients. M has a coefficient of 2, and here on the left-hand side, m also has a coefficient of b, so this makes us infer that b is equal to 2. Similarly, we have a 4 here, we have an a here, so this makes us infer a is equal to 4. And so now we just have to check that k is also an integer. If k is also an integer, then our just naive matching here is actually going to work out. And we did matching because we don't really have a better, I guess, lead on what we can do next, since m could be anything and k could be anything, and so we don't really have a huge lead on what to do next. We have too many variables in only two equations. So we're just going to match and see if k is also an integer. So if we get b is 2, a is 4, we get k times 5 to the 4th times m to the b, so that's, m squared is equal to 10 to the 4th times m squared. We just know these cancel, so k times 5 to the 4th equals 10 to the 4th. K is equal to 2 to the 4th, which is 16, so k is an integer, 16. So now we just add them. 16 plus 4 is 20, 20 plus 2 is 22, because that's what they asked for, right? Yeah, k plus a plus b. We added them, we get 22. Our answer is 22.